Hey y'all, I'm Cody with the Big Ben Fungi Company. Today I'm going to show you how I built my humidifier, and right now we're going to go over the parts list. So the first thing you're going to need is some 3-inch Schedule 40 PVC, which is what we got right here. And how much of that you will need will depend on the space from the top of the humidifier, which is your trash can, to the inlet for your grow room. So you just need to measure that out and figure how much PVC you'll need. You'll need a 3 or 4 inch PVC closet flange with plastic ring without the test cap, which is this right here. And this fits 3-inch pipe inside and 4 on the outside. That's why they call it 3 or 4 inch. We'll be using the inside. You'll need your Brute 20-gallon trash can. You're welcome to get a bigger size if you think that's what I need. I've got a 10 by 12 grow room, and a 20-gallon trash can is more than enough. I actually like to keep everything small and compact. It's just easier on me. So that's what I use. You'll need the lid. It doesn't come with a hole in it. I already put that in that. But you'll also need the lid. You have the option to get the roller that they make for this trash can. I use it because I feel like it makes life on the farm much easier when I can just roll this around to clean it, to move it, to do whatever I need to do. It also makes it easier to clean because it's easier to move around. And anything that's easier to clean, you're more likely to clean it more often. So I do recommend that, but it's not absolutely necessary. You'll need your 12-disc mist maker with float and spare discs, and it comes with the transformer, which looks like this. It's a kit. You can get it if you get the parts list. Where you get it from is on there, but I'm not really gonna plug them. It's a good product, but that's what you need for that. I'm sure another one might work just as well. You'll need the again the digital Wi-Fi humidity controller. If you get the parts list, I mention what specific one I use, but again, anyone would probably do. I like that one because it has Wi-Fi in it, so you can connect it to your phone and see what's going on, and it gives you graphs and things like that. You'll need the 3/4 inch inner top water inlet automatic float valve. So that's this right here. Mine has already been in use. Actually, this has been in use for about 2 years with no problems. So I've got a new one I'm putting on, but these are great. I like them because they can't get jammed up. When that float floats around, it doesn't affect this float. So when that float floats around, it won't affect this float. Water comes in from the top, comes out the side right there. I like it. That's what I've used. You'll need 4 of the short bolts with nuts. That's all you'll need to pick up from the hardware store. You'll need your 120 millimeter by 25 millimeter AC powered computer fan, AC plug-in, variable speed controller. So that's this fan. Again, we give the specifics on the parts list. but it does come with nuts, bolts, this little screen, and a variable speed controller as well. You'll need 2 of the 3/4 by 3/4 PEX elbows. You'll need a 3/4 inch PEX to 3/4 inch female fitting, and then you'll need your 3/4 inch male to garden hose thread female, and those will go together. We'll go over that later. So I changed it up right there. You're gonna want to make this fitting right here, which is a 3/4 garden hose female by 3/4 garden hose female swivel connector, so it spins, and that's connected to a 3/4 garden hose male by 3/4 pipe thread male union, and I put those two together right there. So this will screw into that last piece of PEX, the 3/4 female that's crimped on. You'll go up with the 3/4 male, that switches over to the 3/4 male garden hose, and then you'll go onto that with the 3/4 by 3/4 female garden hose swivel connector. You'll need PEX pipe, approximately around 3 feet. 3/4 inch is what I've used. You'll need your 3/4 inch PEX crimp rings. I think today we're going to be using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you'll need 6 of those. You'll need some foam tape. Again, the specifics are in the parts list. You'll need 115 volt surge protector. We always recommend running your equipment on that. You also need the contractor grade 3 outlet extension cord. It turns 1 into 3. You'll need a 115 millimeter hole saw. You'll need a 3/16 drill bit. You will also need a 5/16 nut driver. You'll need PVC cutters with the ability to cut 3-inch PVC. So for me, I use a table saw. You'll need PEX crimpers. You'll need a tape measure. You'll need a drill. You'll need a torch. You'll need some silicone. And you'll also need something that can cut out a hole for your PEX pipe, which we'll go over later. But I've used a 1/2 inch conduit, 7/8 diameter steel punch. Right there. You can also find a a socket that you can heat up that's around the same size. That'll work as well. And that's it for the parts list. So now we're going to go ahead and put everything together. One more thing I might mention is, just like you'll need to measure out how much PVC you need to go from the top of your humidifier to the inlet, you'll also need to configure how you're going to get there, and that may involve a 3-inch 90, a 3-inch 45, some short 45s. You'll just have to figure out how you can get there. Silicone, we went over that. Okay, so that's all the parts you'll need. Now we'll start assembling.